need to earn more money. I need to earn more money. But I was under the assumption that the only way to earn money is I have to give up my time. So I was working two jobs. Then I picked up doing private security at night for some rich clients. Like I was working myself to death, actually. I was literally dead tired. It used to be to where I would get off work like 2, 3 in the morning. I would go to Chantel house. Because usually I was doing security out in that area. So I would go to her house, sleep a couple of hours, drive back to what's the name of that place? Hutchins, Texas. Hutchins, Texas. Hutchins. I think it's Hutchins, Texas. Yeah, Wilmer Hutchins, Texas. I would drive out there to the post office, open up, getting the mail all sorted, leave work around I think 1 p.m., 2 p.m. Then I would go work my second job at O'Reilly Auto Parts. And then, if it was the weekend, the whole doing the night cycle again. And it was just a repetitive cycle where I was just literally dead tired every day. And then something happened to where Chantel and we had a conversation and we both realized we just didn't know how to get ahead with money. Like